moving at 50 miles an hour. It's moving at 50 miles an hour, squall line. It's not going to last long. You can see the cloud beginning to line up. You can see the line beginning to line up in the horizon. See to the northwest. You can follow this. You can follow it if you pan it. Follow a giant line from there across to the northwest towards the lake. Yeah, and as this rolls in, you might get a better defined shelf cloud. It'll be low at the base, maybe rolling at the base a little bit because of turbulent wind. You can see it coming in at you, kind of like in this kind of direction. Follow the big line from there, and it's moving into a real favorable environment for severe storms. Good wind shear and hot, humid. We cooled off a little bit from those showers that we had ahead of the main line, but yeah, see the further south, thunder, it's a big line.
This line of clouds are built up around this bridge here. You can see this break here, the two different colors.
Yep.
Is that part of your...
Actually, it looks like we're starting to see the first layer of what's probably a shelf cloud, because there's like one layer below there.
I see it.
And then you'll start to hopefully see the whole thing. There you can see it extending. If you look at that tree over there, you can see it beginning to... We don't have great views of shelf clouds in Ohio because of all the trees.
Yeah.
But when it begins to move over us directly, you'll have the first couple gusts of wind, you'll feel the rain-cooled air come out of it. Sometimes behind a shelf cloud, it's kind of like a little bit of an orangish green color.
Will you be able to see it tonight, though, with the sky like this?
Yeah, you should. If you look, you can see the way the clouds are advancing in. I'd wait a couple minutes to shower because there's going to be a ton of lightning. I'd wait about a half an hour, Dad. Yeah, I'm staying right here. Yeah, it's coming in quick. Yeah. We got a few more minutes yet. You got a few more minutes yet. Here, as you can see, yeah, you can see there's a couple layers of it too.
You're right, I see back here, I see the orange.
Yeah, and actually look at the lowest layer above those treetops. Yep. It's kind of rolling at the base a little bit. See, it's rolling at the base.
Dark light, yeah.
Yeah, when they roll at the base like that, that's a sign of very strong straight line wind pushing out away from the storm. See, the whole thing, it's going to clear these treetops here.
I see it. I do see it. You can tell. Wow.
They probably have a warning out for Lake County by now. It was out for Cuyahoga County a couple minutes ago. Yeah, this is a nice shelf cloud. There's a faint layer on top, a layer below that, and now there's about 3 or 4 layers. Yep, it's coming in pretty good now. You see it roll at the base a little bit.
Yep. I see them.
Then there's the south end of the line. You're hearing the echoes from thunder over there.
I mean, that's just the echo we're hearing?
No, you're hearing thunder there, and thunder there, because it's a whole line. So you're going to get thunder and lightning along the length of this line.
That's a long line.
Yeah, the line of storms goes from like Medina County to Central Lake Erie, moving east south.
Okay, here comes the temperature drive, because I can feel the cooler.
You'll feel it in a minute.
Now look at those bases of the clouds, because they're breaking up coming off that ridge. They're starting to. Are they
yeah,
oscillating a little bit?
Well, Actually, see how you have new clouds forming at the base of
Yes,
it
yes.
because squall lines have the updraft of warm, humid air out in front of them.
Okay.
As they advance, they pull heat and humidity ahead of them up into the line. So thunderstorms actually, when a line of thunderstorms moves along, they're not the same thunderstorms. What they are is thunderstorms keep dying and new storms develop on the forward flank of it. And that's the forward flank there. As it moves into hot and humid air mass, you just keep getting continuous development of thunderstorms, and it creates like a conveyor belt cycle that sometimes will pull high winds aloft down to the ground.
Oh, here comes it.
This is beginning to bow out a little bit.
Oh yeah, but here comes cooler, and here comes the rain. Right
Yeah,
behind, like you said.
where as this thing passes over, we're gonna get some gusts of wind. That lightning strike over there.
You see the lightning strikes this morning in time.
You can hear the wall of wind coming in. Look at the layers of shelf clouds right over us now.
Once you know what you're looking at, you can whoa.
Also, when the rain is attached to the shelf cloud like this, it's the sign of a stronger line.
Really?
Yeah. Because after a period of time, the gusty wind works its way out ahead of the rain, and that'll eventually kill the storm. Because you're surging cooler air further and further ahead, and it chokes off the inflow of heat and humidity.
Yeah. That makes sense. Wow. Look at that.
Yeah. This may have really heavy rain and probably high wind. Radar was showing just above the surface 60 to 70 mile per hour winds in this line. Yeah. Wind's starting to come out of the west-northwest now from where that storm is coming from. I'm going to stop this video and then start another one.